What's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a simple certificate design like this in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here, I have created a design at the left as well as at the right side of this certificate. In the middle I have added a certificate of achievement here. Here the certificate holder name and some detailed text over here with some logo and date and signature, guys. So this is the overview of this certificate design. You can create it very easily in less time, guys. So if you want to create a certificate quickly in just PowerPoint which look awesome, creative and attractive, then this video is for you guys. So without wasting any further time, guys, let's get started. So just click on insert option. Here you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Let me show you which type of size, which slide size let me show you guys which slide size I'm using in this particular video. So for this I'm using, just click on slide size option, click custom slide size, and you can see here I'm using A4 and choosing the landscape and landscape portrait over here. So this is what the size you have to choose while creating the certificate design. Okay, so the blank slide is added successfully. So now what I'm going to do, I will start creating this left shape group over here. This is actually a group of elements. So we'll start creating each element, and after that we'll group it and duplicate it and put it at the right top corner. Okay, so I'm going to create the left bottom design like this shape. This whole group I'm going to create over here. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on new slide option, just click on insert option, and first you have to click on a rectangle from the shape option and drag a rectangle like this. The width should be this much and the outline should be no outline over here. Right click over the rectangle and choose edit point option over here. Just drag this point. You will find 4 dots on each corner. You just have to make changes with the right top dot, black dot actually. You have to put it over here like this. Put it something over here. Okay, or maybe something here. Now press Ctrl D, select this shape, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. Let me change the shape fill. I'm going to choose this shape, any shape fill. Later on we will change this. Put it over the first one and again right click over here and choose edit point option. Now you have to make changes with the left top black dot. You just have to slide it over here like this. Okay, now done. After this, what you have to do, again click on insert option, choose a right triangle from this and drag a right triangle like this. Put it at the left bottom. Make it no outline, guys, and let me decrease the height of this triangle to this much. Okay, so now again press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this triangle and put it over here. Let me change the shape fill to any other color, like I'm going to choose this color, and right click over here, choose edit point option and drag this. Again you will find 3 dots over the each vertex of this triangle. So do changes with the right vertex dot. So I'm going to put it something here, guys, and drag it over here. Right click over here, you can send it back or you can send this triangle in front, means this blue triangle, bring it to front like this and put this just back to this triangle like this. Okay, so this shape is ready. Now finally what I'm going to do, I will again choose a isosceles triangle and drag an isosceles triangle, make it no outline, just rotate it right 90 degree and put it over here. Before putting it over here, I'm going to change the shape fill to something green so that we can differentiate between these shapes. Okay, Now just right click over here, and again I'm going to choose edit point option. Again we'll find three dots over here, so I'm going to put this dot something here. Okay, now this dot, now it's fine guys. So now you have to bring all this shape, this triangle, orange triangle, bring it to front, and after this you have to bring this blue triangle in front. Now it's done guys. So now what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make a single group. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will choose this color sample from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide guys. So now what I'm going to do for this shape, what I'm going to do, I will choose a eyedropper and will fill it with this color. Now for this shape, what I'm going to do, I will right click over here and choose format shape option so that we can fill it with the gradient. Like I'm going to choose the fill, and here you will find the gradient fill option, just click on that. Now for the left side, what I'm going to do, I will use this color or maybe this color, and for the right side I'm going to use the lighter version of this color, so I'm going to use this color for the left side, or maybe some more lighter color, like I'm going to use this color. Now you can see the gradient effect over here. Okay, so let me change the gradient fill. So I'm going to change the color. For the left side I'm going to use this color. Okay, now it's fine. Now for this shape, okay, I'm using the same gradient for this, so I'm going to choose the gradient fill. It will automatically fetch the gradient color from here. Now for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use this color, maybe this color. And now for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use this lighter color. Okay, so this is how you can create this shape. Before doing this, I'm going to decrease the width of this triangle to this much. Now it's fine. So I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this shape and put it separately like this, and now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now again I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and put it at the right top corner over here. Got it? Got it guys? Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will create a you just have to click on insert option, choose a rectangle over here, and cover this slide from this rectangle like this. Okay, now shape fill should be no fill and the outline should be wider. Like I'm going to give it a weight, some weight, like I'm going to give it a weight like this much is perfect. Now for the line option, what I'm going to use, I will click on this shape, and here you will find the gradient line. Just click on that and choose a different color. I want only these two stops, so I'm going to use these two stops over here. And for the left stop, what color I'm going to use, I will use this darker brown color. For the left stop, I'm going to use lighter brown color. Now I'll put this over here and add some more stops over here, and for this I'm going to use the darker brown color. For this I'm again going to use a darker brown color. So this is the shape fill you have to add over here. Now what I'm going to do, I will copy these shapes and paste it over this slide like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert, choose shape and choose a line from here. Just press shift and drag a line like this. I'm using shift because so that we can drag a exactly horizontal line over here. Okay, so let me show you which type of text I'm using. For the certificate of achievement, look what I'm using. For this I'm using square 720 bt and the size is 48. Okay, for this I'm using this particular text and size is 18. For the detailed text, I'm using Calibri Light and the size is 18. Now this logo, talking about this logo, I have already created a video on this. So if you have any query, then please go and watch that video. I have stayed each and every steps to create a logo like this, guys. This is so simple and attractive logo, and you can also create it very easily. So please watch that video before designing this particular certificate design. Okay, so now here I have add date and text, which is again very simple. You have to drag a line like this. I have already done this sometimes ago. So you have to do a line over here, and under the line you have to add some text over here. So the text style is Calibri body and the size is 18. So you can do it very easily, guys. Now the final things we have to do is to change the background pattern. So I'm using pattern for the background, not a color. I'm using pattern for the background. So I'm going to right click over here, choose from background option over here. Now you can see the pattern fill option. Just click on that and choose a different patterns you will find over here. So you can use different patterns fill. So for the pattern, I'm going to use some light blue color. So I'm going to use this particular color, and for the pattern, I'm using this pattern, guys. Okay, this is the perfect pattern I'm using. So for the final thing, you can see for the certificate holder name, I'm using this particular style and size 720. So this is how simple this certificate design to be created in PowerPoint, guys. Okay, recently I'm working on my website, so I'm launching my website, guys. I'm creating a platform so that anyone can download the templates, the paid templates, actually premium templates, free of cost, guys. So this is the project we are working on. So we are recently going to launch our website. So stay connected with the PowerPoint world and keep learning, guys. Okay, so for now I'm putting the free download link of this template in the description. So go and download from there. If you have any query, then don't forget to write me on my WhatsApp number, which is already provided in the description section, guys. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.